Hello everyone, how to do back with another new video, and in this video I will introduce app. It's called Hunch. Find friends who get you. So basically this is a social networking, or you can say it's like a dating app. You can find the people here like a stranger and the other people. So you can see the rating of the app 3.2 out of 5 and 4K reviews. Put it 7 megabyte size of the app, and 1 million plus people already use this application. Okay, so about this app, make online friends and connect through shared interest, anonymous poll and chat. So if you want to see the main picture, then find friends who get you like anonymously, align ambition, nuclear word, how would you want to the world you end, express and discuss, find honest and anonymous, absolute fun, zero judgment, share dank jokes, hot takes. So there are a lot of things here, and people say it's really good. I'll create more video how to use this application, upcoming tutorial. So friend, today is no more, and see you in the next video.